Happy Friday, everyone, and happy Halloween. It's almost that time. Tomorrow's the big day. Welcome back to Notemon, my lovely YouTube channel. Today, I was attempting to do this design on my eye, and it got pretty close. So I started off by just using a face perfector. Just really smooths out my skin. I really love the way it feels. It feels like there's a nice little layer of baby powder on my face. It's just really soft and awesome feeling. Once I got my face all ready, I began looking to see which color I wanted to start with. And I chose this really light lavender to base my eyes with. I just did a full coverage since I knew I was going to be putting glitter all over everything. I knew I wanted the top all the way up to the eyebrow to be a lighter color. So I just started with this light lavender. Once I had that light lavender based out, I went in with a darker purple shadow. I started with an angle brush, but then decided to just use a fluffy brush. It applied it faster for me. So then I used a smaller rounded brush to get that edge out to where I wanted it to be. Knowing that I was going to do this big bat wing, I wanted to take it out past my eyebrow edge. Then took a smaller detailing brush and lined the bottom of my eyes with that darker purple. Also making sure to wrap that around the inner eye portion. I don't know about you guys, but the bottom line, water line, is always really difficult for me. It always makes my eyes tear up. But yeah, that's what I went for next. I wanted to start creating the shape of that bat wing. So I did well, there I just scraped my eye because apparently the liner retracted back inside of the tube. So anyway, I did the bottom waterline and then continued to do the top eyeliner line, not super thick. And then I made sure to connect the edge of the upper line with the edge of the lower line. Kind of colored in that little triangle there. So once I got that basic eyeliner on and I was happy, this was the fun part. I took a small round brush and patted on the purple glitter eyeshadow. And I just put it all around on my eyelid and did a small line underneath my eye. glam rock looking. Once I had that done, I took my eyeliner and outlined where the purple was and began creating that bat wing shape. And I just traced it out and then colored in the bat wing with the eyeliner. Definitely struggled keeping it the same between my left and my right eye, but what I ended up doing was just retracing the line where I thought it would be a match and then added more of the purple glitter to cover that in. So once that was done, I went back in with a black glitter and went over where that bat wing was and very lightly blended the purple and black together. So now that I had the eyeshadow done, I went in with an eye primer and my round brush and really cleaned up the web lines or the bat wing lines on my face just to make it really a crisper line. I did it around my entire eye, top and bottom. And then once I had that all finished, I added some contouring and some highlighter, and I guess I didn't film the foundation and powder portion. Sorry about that. Maybe I did. I think I did. Yeah, it's in there because I blended the eyes down. That's right. I'm sorry. So I just blended my contour with a contour brush. I went in with some highlighter. Then I ended up using a really dark blue lipstick, which was almost identical to the purple. And actually, I think ended up matching quite nicely. I also did a little bit of eyebrows. I smoothed them out, added a little bit of black eyeshadow, and then I couldn't find my eyebrow pencil, so I used my eyeliner to do a little bit of the tips and just the front corner, and then blended it all out. I hope everybody has a really happy Halloween. I hope everybody has a safe Halloween, make some good memories, and have an enjoyable time. I hope to do some more makeup videos. I really like how this ended up turning out. I had a lot of fun too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you end up doing one of these looks or anything on my channel, please post it. Tag me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. I also have a blog that you can find me at www.notemon.com. You guys have a happy Halloween and a safe holiday.